love this stuff. Alright, we're just going to go over. You can even see the prices there. Funny Car Chevelle, $427 fully blown dragster. Doesn't say what year it is. 30. One Touch Terror, $30. Most of these is $30. I'm going to just leave it at that. Look at that dub. That is cool. I don't like that. California Wheels. Fast and Furious. Porsche. There you go. 57 Del Rio. I like that. 2-in-1. The Jeep. 68 F250 Custom Cab, $30. 69 Goat, $30. Golden Hawk, $30. Like I said, just about everything is $30 here. I'll tell you when it's a little bit different. We got some race cars up there. Yeah, California. That's wild. Got some custom stuff up there. Oh, look at the Hudson. That's nice. That's nice. Cornet. 62 Bel Air. International Scout.
Well, let me take this right now.
Chevelle Stalker. Myers Manx. Yeah, Bruce Myers passed away just a couple of years ago. Mongoose. That's cool. 25. Nice. There you go. The great F1 Circus Ferrari, F189. Wow. That is a cool model. That is a cool model.
Ed said, Uncle Ed said, they like Uncle Ed. Uncle Ed said that's okay.
A whole bunch of VW buses. Oh, look at the Alfa Romeo. Juliana's Sprint GTA.
You can make one phone call.
Wow, $30. Custom Cadillac Lowrider, $30. 68 Firebird. Mark 7. Neat. Little Fiat Dragster.
Put the phone here. Go ahead.
Two-door.
I'll let you in. Go ahead and get it.
Hudson Hornet Club Coupe. 442 Mustang. That's the Boss 351. There's a Bronco.
Don't sell that one.
Got it.
I already made the deal on that one.
Okay, got it.
I'll give you $5 more. No.
I could never leave here without buying something. I really can't.
Porsche.
Because I remember the first time I met you. You really...
You said if I buy these,
Yeah, if I buy those, you buy... You... And I didn't even...
These Strickler's 65. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, what a mash up there. Lamp truck. F100. F100. You know, these all must be repops a whole bit, but hey, we don't mind. Black Beauty. Oh, the Demon, that's cool. Oh, look at that Dodge. Wow. That's Cornet sedan. That's perfect for you, Glenn. You can really hot rod it. So, that's Glenn from Model Cars with Glenn. Shout out there. The Mercedes SSK. Oh, Mustang 2 concept car. Yeah, Butch, you'll have a good time at BK Model Cars. Gotta give out some good shout outs here. Oh, the Mustang Hell Drivers. I don't know, Mustang 2 on Hell Drivers just seems like an oxymoron to me. Oh, this is so cool. Daniel, we got a shout out to you. And of course, Luke out in Australia. Mel's driving. Little, another Hudson. Huh. Oh, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. On top we've got the big haulers. That is so cool. And there's even more underneath. That's what I mean when you come to these shows. It is really, you're going to find stuff that you didn't realize that you actually needed. That's nice. Custom trailer. Cool beams. Wow. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at 2025 Lehigh Valley Model Car Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, remember, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.